Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram Doodle update not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here update your Instagram. Now go back to home screen. Go to settings. Scroll down. Go to apps option. From here search Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Now click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen and open Instagram. Go to chat section and open any conversation and see Doodle's draw update showing now. If still Doodle's update not showing, then wait few days, because Doodle's update is available only selected accounts in Instagram. This feature is not available to all users in Instagram currently. Stay connected for more updates.